Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Canva templates for consistent weekly content planning, full guide step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. Select Create a Design from the top right corner of the home page. Choose a template size that fits your weekly content needs, like Instagram posts or YouTube thumbnails. Once your blank canvas is open, navigate to the Templates tab on the left sidebar. Browse or search for a template that suits your brand aesthetic and purpose. Click on the chosen template to add it to your canvas. Customize the template by clicking on text areas to edit the words. Replace placeholder text with your specific content or topics for the week. Use the toolbar above to adjust font size, style, and color as per your branding guidelines. To add images or graphics, click on the Uploads tab and choose Files from your device. Drag and drop your images into the template or click to place them. Adjust the position and size of images to fit well within the design layout. For additional elements, click on the Elements tab to explore shapes, icons, and lines. Incorporate these elements to enhance your visual appeal while maintaining brand consistency. Once your design looks polished, save your work by clicking on the Share button at the top right. Select the Download option and choose your desired file format, such as PNG or JPEG. Repeat these steps for each piece of content you need for the upcoming week. Organize all downloaded files into a designated folder on your device for easy access. Consider scheduling your posts with a social media management tool for optimal consistency. Review your weekly plan to ensure it aligns with your overall content strategy. Adjust templates as needed, keeping your audience's preferences in mind. Finally, monitor engagement on your posts to inform future content planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.